Shenzhen Fangcheng Tech Co. Limited, previous named as Shenzhen Fangcheng Teaching Equipment Company Limited, is established in 2009, with 16 years experience on R&D and production of interactive display products. With brand EIBOARD and manufacturing workshop area of 3,100 square meters, OEM, ODM, SKD, and CKD are supported. We have served more than 8 million classrooms and end users all over the world. EIBOARD is a high-tech enterprise specialized in developing, manufacturing, and exporting smart touch displays. The main products are interactive flat panel, LED recordable smart blackboard, interactive whiteboard, movable experiment platform, and related all-in-one smart solutions for education and conference, which are widely used in K-1-2 schools, universities, kindergartens, training centers, corporations, and government institutions. With innovation based on users, we have 2 worldwide first-developed products, 4 invention patents, more than 100 appearance and utility model patents, more than 30 software copyrights, and acquired certificates, ISO, CE, ROSE, FCC, BIS, CB, etc. Since establishment, we're always focusing on R&D and devising products performance, both on hardware and software, in order to improve users' experience. With the vision to be a global leading brand of education in formatization and mission to assist smart teaching, we will never stop developing more innovative products and integrated solutions to fulfill the emerging needs of our customers.